I can understand. I know it's very difficult for a QA fresher to apply to a job, right? To get a job, to follow up with the HR, right? You don't know the list of company that you should know, right? In this video, I'm gonna give you a 5-step process that I generally recommend to all of my students, right? How you can use some AI tools like ChatGPT and other tools to basically come up with a plan. And these 5 steps where how starting from scratch, creating from cover letter to list of companies where you are applying, how you can do proper follow-up, everything we are going to discuss in this video. All right, this is gonna be a very practical video. You can watch this video in 1.5x. Let's get started in doses, right? This video is specifically for freshers, manual testers, or anyone who want to apply to a particular job, right? You can be into development and you can be into DevOps, right? I am giving you just example for QA fresher as of now. Okay, first of all, you have to do is finding the list of companies which are good in nature, right? I have basically discussed, here is the list. I'm gonna share you the list also in the chat or in the description, right? Which are a couple of companies which I think, especially in India, are very good, where you can start applying. You can go to their career section, right? There you can basically apply with the resume. Right now you need two important things, which is step number 2, to create a cover letter, and the second thing is resume. That I have showed in the chat. So right now I have basically told ChatGPT to generate me a 5 cover letter, especially for a profile of QA fresher, right? It has generated an amazing cover letter for me, which is to the point. For example, if you see, I have recently graduated, I have hands-on experience, and I really want to apply, right? So you can choose any template that you want from this. Cover letter is super important. That why when you are sending your resume, right, please add a cover letter to your email. This is like a very simple email which basically convey in a very short time. They will not read, sometimes HR don't read the resume, but they will read the cover letter. So please make sure you are putting some important points in this case. Okay, that's important thing. Now you know that, okay, Pramod, now I have a cover letter, right? List of companies, I'm clear, step number 1. Second is cover letter, step number 2, I'm clear with this. I will basically take out the help from ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT, type generate a cover letter for a dash profile. It can be digital marketing profile or anything. Okay, now the next question is the resume. Third one is resume, sample resume, right? Sample resume I have basically done, where I request you to add specific information that you have done, right? For example, I have generated a sample resume for QA fresher with the skills like Java coding, API testing, and Git information, right? Here I have added specifically, and it has generated an amazing template for me. But again, I won't recommend this template, but you can go with the skills projects, which are very important. 2 projects it has added, right? You can also add 2 projects. I have discussed multiple times how and which project that you can add. Just watch my previous videos. I have discussed about the QA projects if you are specifically looking for QA one. And again, a resume template I'm going to give you. This is the link, which is sdet.live/resume-copy. You will find the resume of couple of students who are basically already got selected. Please, this is a couple of information from this, like phone number and everything is available. Please don't call them, right? But again, you can use them, right? You can see this is the resume templates which basically got selected also, right? So you can see what exactly worked for them and what exactly didn't work for them. Exactly, right? So step number 1, list of companies is clear, cover letter is clear, right? Third one is resume is clear. Now the step number 4 is basically connecting with the HRs. So let me show you how you will connect with the HR, especially on LinkedIn. Go to LinkedIn, create your profile, right? Next thing you have to do, for example, here in the ChatGPT, if you see, right, I have basically asked, generated 3 scripts to connect with the HR on LinkedIn specifically, right? So here, if you see, it basically told that, okay, I'm a fresh graduate looking for a job. I think there's an opening, right? Here is the thing. And it has basically, I'm impressed by your company reputation and everything, right? It is adding an important point. So you don't have to, it is like done for you templates automatically that you are using, right? Please leverage the AI right now. These are the things which are not present for us. We have to write lots of manual cover letters, manual resumes in the past. So leverage the AI now. Okay, this is where you can basically do. Now the last important time is where you most of you are making mistake, not following up with the HRs. So what you have to do is get the emails and you have to follow up. Here I have basically created a follow-up series of HRs for a QA profile. Here, after 1 week, after 1 day, you have to basically do follow-ups, right? So after 1 week, I'm doing follow-up. After 2 weeks, I'm doing follow-up. After 3 weeks also, I'm doing follow-up for the same profile. In the 1 week, I'm basically saying that I'm excited for the opportunity. If you need any help, any information, let me know, right? After 2 weeks, I'm also emailing. I know you are busy, but please see, I have applied for this job. Again, 3rd week also, I'm basically doing, right? I'm following up. The more you follow up, the more the chances you will get your profile selected, right? This is what I have seen. So this is the 5-step process. I hope this makes sense, right? This is definitely will help you a lot. I have seen many of my students already have done it, right? If you need more help, if you need more information about it, let me know in the comment. And how was the video? If it was helpful, just give me a small thank you in the chat, and like and subscribe if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe to the video. And if you are already a subscriber, thanks a lot for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.